everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Just let me check on with the comments. Am I audible? Just let me know. Am I audible? Visible? So I am. Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you over here in our today's live class. In this we are going to cover the next topic, or you can say next scheme under Ministry of Education. This is what we are going to do, right? So Ministry of Education हम लोग कर रहे थे. In this one, under this only, last time we covered Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, right? Now we will be doing the Impress part. Okay. Hello Shruti, hi Kanhaiya, hi, a very good evening to all of you and welcome again over here in today's session. Hello Meena, hi, a very good evening. Chalo, so let's get started with today's session. First of all, this is going to be very short, not very huge. बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा जो है, it is not going to be really very long one. So Ministry of Education, this is what we are going to do under this Impress part, Impress scheme. So first of all, Impress, what does it mean actually? Impress का मतलब क्या है? So this is the impactful policy. Okay, this is for impactful policy. Okay, just let me write. Okay, this is for impactful policy research in social sciences. Impactful policy, impactful policy research in social sciences. Okay, social sciences, impactful, this is the one, impactful policy research in social sciences. So this is what is the Impress. This is the full form of the Impress, right? Hello Fayaz, hi Shruti. Okay, you can come down to the Tathastu office, the Tathastu class, we can meet. Hello Fayaz, hi Ruby, a very good evening, very good evening. Okay, so as of now we have just covered this one, this much of part only. All the people who have joined us just now, so ये लोग जो है देख सकते हैं, only this much of part we have done. Ministry of Education, Impress, the full form of the Impress we have done. From the name itself you can understand that what it actually means to say, what it intends to do actually, इसका क्या intention है. So impactful policy research, the policies which could be really very impactful in order to induce research in the social sciences. Okay, so जो research वाला mind है उस चीज को induce करने के लिए this is the one, this is the policy which has been introduced. इसका जो introduction का part है कि इसको कब लेकर के आया गया था. So it was launched in 2018. Okay, these are the points. I am just telling you those points which are really very important. Okay, which are really very important. This is what is my approach. Prelims, it is around the corner. So obviously the times will be gone. Soon it will be gone like this. You won't be able to even check out कि हाँ भाई time कैसे निकल गया, पता ही नहीं चलेगा, right? So all just come, सारी चीज़ों को इस हिसाब से study करो कि बहुत ही concise रहे but impactful रहे, just like this. Okay. So Impress, Impactful Policy Research in Social Sciences, it was launched in 2018. What is the aim over here? Let's talk about the aim: to promote the research in the social sciences field. Okay. So what is the aim? In the name, from the name itself I have told you. So it is to promote, okay, it is to promote social science social science researches, social science research in the country, researches won't be right, ठीक है, so research in the country, this is the aim, in the country, this is the aim, okay. Okay, next is the implementing agency. Who will be implementing this? Implementing agency, right? The one who will be implementing this thing. So for this, the one who is responsible is the ICSSR. Okay, so it is the ICSSR. This is the one. Okay, ICSSR will be responsible. This is the Indian Council of Social Science Research, right? Indian Council of Social Science and Research. You can write down, please do write down all these points. These are really very important for all of you. Okay, Indian Council for Social Science and Research. Name is also very important कि भाई ये full form है भी तो ये क्या है, क्योंकि full form से you get to know ना कि what it intend to do. Social science and that of the research. It was established in 1969. Okay, good evening Rahul. So it was established in 1969. What it intends to do, obviously, so for the social science and obviously for the research purpose. Okay, chalo, now let's move on to the next topic, which is the objectives. What are the objectives over here? Objectives क्या है इसके, ठीक है. So far all good, as of now everything good. I guess आप सभी को ये सारी चीजें जो है वो समझ में आ रही है. Hello Lovlina, hello. Hello, good evening, good evening, good evening. So objectives here, what is supposed to be done? First of all, identify the things. Okay, to identify and fund research proposals. So to identify and research proposals. Okay, to identify and fund the research proposals. Okay, so first of all you have to identify the research proposals which are really very important, and then later on fund them also, so that they could do the research, because research करने के लिए उनको बहुत सारे resources की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. कहीं आना जाना हो, कहीं पे जा करके कुछ चीज़ों को लेकर के study करना हो, whatever, because research is something which is really very much, you know, in depth, delve in, you have to, you know, बहुत ज़्यादा in depth करके पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है, जानकारी इकट्ठी करनी पड़ती है. lot many books you might be in need of, different kind of things you might be in need of going somewhere in order for the study purpose, so in order to get even more information, right? So for all those kind of things, whatever fund is required, so that could be done, and for that only the fund will be provided over here. Okay, now the next is to ensure selection of projects through, because the projects are also supposed to be selected very transparently. It is not something कि आप जो है किसी को भी अपने मर्जी, उसको तो मैं जानता हूँ, मैं चाचा के दादा के फूफड़ के जान पहचान का आदमी है, उसका हम रिसर्च जो है उसको प्रमोट कर देते हैं, which is really very wrong. Okay, चलो, so here the next point comes is that the next point is to ensure the selection of projects, to ensure the selection of projects okay, to ensure the selection of projects through a transparent exact what time almost every day or alternate days there will be live over here on Tathastu. आप जो schedule check कर सकते हो at 2 PM also, at 5 PM also, and my DNA classes, those are regular at 10 PM. Okay, so you can check out that as well, right? ठीक है. Competitive process on time mode through a transparent competitive process. ठीक है. सो इट इज समथिंग कि आपने अपने अपने रिसर्च पेपर जो है सबमिट किए और उसी के अकॉर्डिंग the things will be decided whether it is supposed to be done or not, it is supposed to be funded or not. Okay, तो ये सारा जो process है that is supposed to be done through the competitive and as well as through the transparent mode. Okay, next is to provide the opportunity for social science researches in any institution in our country. Okay, so it is supposed to be done everywhere. It is not like कि आप जो है कहीं पे भी मतलब सिर्फ सेलेक्टेड जगह पे ही नहीं, इट इज सपोज टू बी एवरीवेयर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, इंड्यूस दी हियर इट इज सपोज टू प्रोवाइड दी अपॉर्चुनिटी, टू प्रोवाइड अपॉर्चुनिटी ओके फॉर रिसर्च, social science research. When I am saying research over here, it means social science research. Okay, research throughout our country in universities, in colleges, or you can say the universities which has, you know, all those universities which has been affiliated by UPSC. इस चीज को जरूर ध्यान में रखिएगा. Okay, in the country, and which country? Obviously that is the India only. In the country. Okay, so this impress is up to this much only. That's it. Only 3 pages you have to write, and in your notebook or the page it will be just the half of that, just half, or you can say even half of the half page, right? So 1/3. So Ministry of Education, under this we covered the impress part. Under this impress, what is the full form of this? It is the impactful policy research in social sciences. Okay, it was launched in 2018. Later on, now what is the aim? Over here the aim is to promote the social science research in the country. Implementing agency, who will be implementing? So the ICSSR is the one, which is the Indian Council. Here is the Indian Council for Social Science and Research. This is the council which will be implementing this thing, which is implementing. It has been established in 1969. The objectives: to identify and fund the research proposals. How they will be identifying? There will be this will be done through the transparent mode, and the competitive thing will also be induced so that everyone gets the chance. Whoever is eligible, that person will be getting the fund thing, and right, so identification will be done through this thing, and then the funding will be done. And it is for whom? To provide all those people who are there into this research thing, social sciences research में जितने भी लोग हैं, so that those people can actually opt for the funding thing from this scheme, and this is applicable throughout the colleges, universities affiliated under UGC. They can opt for this thing, right? They can apply for this thing, right? Chalo. So I hope that you people understood. So as I told you in the starting itself, this is not going to be really very long क्या कहते हैं a video. So if you have any kind of question, you can definitely ask, and then later on we can move on with the next video. Any question? Hello Rumon, how are you? All good everyone? Actually यहाँ से लाइव में बात जाना और आने में भी टाइम लग जाता है. I hope all of you are preparing for your prelims as of now, because prelims जो है बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. अभी दिसंबर भी जो है ऑलमोस्ट इट हैज़ एंडेड. अभी उसके बाद जनवरी के बाद जो है कब मई आ जाएगा पता ही नहीं चलेगा. गुड इवनिंग सुधांशु, बेटा यू आर लेट टुडे. चलो, so let's end this today's session. I hope that all of you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and have a great time. Jai Hind.